What's up guys, Logan here with Effortless Traders, and today we're going to be going over our brand new algorithm, the Effortless Scalping algorithm. If you like to trade every day and make multiple trades a day, this is the algorithm for you. This algorithm features a lot of really cool things like support and resistance lines, take profit areas, custom super trend line, and much more. So guys, let's dive straight into it. Alright, so let's hop right into it guys. If you come up to here and you go on your settings, you can see the overall settings of the algorithm, right? So you have TP 1, 2, and 3. So what this means is you can check these boxes, and this is where you're gonna see your take profit areas, and you can change these multipliers like this. So if I put this lower to 2, the take profit 2 will move up closer. I personally trade with it looking like this because I know how to manage my own positions, and I prefer a cleaner chart. If you come down just a little bit here, you have your chop index, much like the previous algorithm. For those of you that don't know, you can filter your chop. For instance, if you put the chop at 100 chop allowance, you might have more signals. Yeah, you're gonna have more signals. If you put the chop at 0 allowance, that means you're gonna have 0 signals. It won't even let me get to 0, but you can get a 1, you're gonna have no signals. I like to keep my chop at 61 because it filters out some of the bad signals, but still lets all the good ones come through. We also have where you can enable and disable the super trend line here. As you can see, it goes away, and you can enable and disable support and resistance lines. And then we have our custom VWAP line here. That is just your standard volume weighted average price, but it's colored green for an uptrend, meaning the stock is trading above VWAP, and then red for a downtrend, meaning it is trading below VWAP. And you can toggle that on and off as well as adjust the line thickness right here. So enough of that, let's get into the algorithm whenever it alerts and see what it looks like. And let's see how we can manage our positions once it alerts a buy or a sell. So we're gonna come over here to this signal where it signals along. We're gonna zoom in just a little bit to see easier. So it signals along here and it says take profit at 395.68. So the easiest way to do this is come in here and go to long position. You're gonna go in the bottom of this candle where it closes. Your stop loss is gonna be right here. See where the tab of long starts, the little pointer, the little arrow? That's where your stop loss is. And your first take profit would be right here. You just drag it out. And as you can see, this trade rocketed, so it probably reached all 3 take profits here. So overall, this trade was a 1.66 to 1 risk to reward ratio, which is very, very good. And this is overall how you would manage your position. You wouldn't close this trade unless it touched this line down here. Kind of like over here, this is a great example. So let's say we go into a short position down here. So we put this right here. We're targeting 389.77, and then our stop loss is here. So as you can see, we had a little bit of a retracement, but we never actually broke this level. And then we eventually did reach our take profit. We reached take profit here. Now this one, this short, looks like it was actually a false signal. So what you do is you would enter a short here with a take profit at 388.02 and a stop loss up here at the short signal. You could drag it out. And as you can see, this play was stopped out. So this was a losing trade. Of course, you're going to have more winners than losers. That's kind of the whole point of an algorithm. And your winners are going to be huge, like this trade today. This was an XPX contract. If you entered here for $120, it eventually went to $2,500 per contract right here, which is crazy. The algorithm caught this. For this play here, you would come here, go to short position, open it up, and target this. This is your stop loss, and there you go. You know, you hit it, and then you never went back to your break even once you entered. This is actually a perfect trade. And then it dumped. The whole market dumped, and your risk reward on this ended up being almost 5, which is incredible, guys. So this algorithm, much like our other algorithm, has custom confirmations built in to have better accuracy when trading. What that means is you're going to take more winning trades and losing trades with this algorithm. And what's really cool about it is it has a place where you should cut your losses and a place where you should begin taking profits. So it really is an effortless algorithm. It literally tells you when to get in, when to get out. I think that's really beneficial for a bunch of traders. So the last thing we're going to go over is how to set alerts for the Effortless Scalping algorithm. You're just going to come to your trading view and click alerts and then add alert. Then you can come here where it says condition and click on Effortless Scalping. And then all you have to do is press create. And now whenever this pops up on your chart, you'll also get an alert on either your desktop, email, text, however you have it set for your trading view application. So thank you guys so much for watching this video on our new algorithm. There's currently a 60% off sale if you use the code Scalping, which is on your screen right now. If you use code Scalping, go to the link in the bio. You guys can view our subscriptions. You can get your first week for $10 and try this out. It's really a small price to pay for all the gains you could potentially make. Try your first week for $10. More info is in the link in the description. And I appreciate you guys tuning in. And feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.